Hello everyone, I am Jagan from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. I have completed MCom CA, Diploma in Business Automation and Library Science. Both me and mother being visually challenged. Life wasn't easy. My mom helped me fight against all odds and instilled confidence in me. Coming from a rural part of Tamil Nadu and having faced so many challenges, I feel happy that I have come this far in life. My hobbies are reading books, playing chess, and listening music. For the past 5 years, I worked in Central Library and am working as a trainer in Help the Blind Foundation. It is not easy being a visually impaired, but life is fun when full of challenges. I love to be an inspire to everyone and want to set an example. My story is that of grit and determination. Thanks Chirantana for training me on theatre and helping me gain more confidence through different activities like this.